Well, today is the iGlow day. As everyone knows that iGlow is first of its kind consumable cosmetic product in India. First of its kind consumable product, which is an internal cosmetic product as well, which is going to condition your beauty from inside and makes your skin glow outside. This is what iGlow is all about. Well, iGlow is also called as an internal cosmetic or a nutri-cosmetic product. It is not a topical cosmetic product. So far as the packaging of iGlow is concerned, everybody would have used it and seen it as well. So this is actually called as an assorted packaging. Assorted packaging in the sense each pack of iGlow will have 28 sachets, of which each flavor will have 7 sachets each. Only the flavors are different, whereas the formulation of the product remains same, my dear friends. These flavors are also considered as the nature identical flavors. So none of them are artificial flavors and colors in this. These are 100% natural flavors and colors which are used in this wonderful product iGlow. So iGlow, as I told you, is an assorted packaging. Again, I want to repeat this for the benefit of others. It's called as an assorted packaging where each flavor is 7 in numbers and total it is 28 sachets in a box. This is what we call it as assorted packaging. Well, who doesn't want a brighter, younger looking and healthy skin? This is very important. Well, the art and science of beautification is called as cosmetics. Well, we are not talking something about the topical cosmetics here. We are talking something about the internal cosmetics. See, a person is said to be beautiful only when the internal organs, the cells, the tissues, the blood, the lymph, everything when it is intact, then the skin health is also improved. This is what the logic of nutri-cosmetics is all about. Whenever your liver is detoxified, whenever your blood is purified, only then the skin health is enhanced. This is what forms the basis of nutri-cosmetic science. And that is what we have incorporated in iGlow as well. So far as the COVID-19 situation, when people think about this, one thing is very important. The government has made mandatory rules that people have to wear the protective gears. This might include the gloves, the masks, the sanitizers and so on. Well, these sanitizers or the masks as such, they are made out of fabric ingredients. They are made up of synthetic ingredients. So in fact, the sanitizers are also made up of alcohol kind of ingredients. So which actually dries up your skin. It is very much important for us to use this on a regular basis. That is definitely there. But at the same point of time, we need to take care of our skin health as well. So in order to take care of skin health, we need to have products which can condition our beauty from inside and makes our skin glow outside, my dear friends. This is very, very important. That is the reason why I am trying to tell you, follow these rules and regulations. At the same point of time, please do take care of your skin health also by the consumption of iGlow, definitely. Well, as I told you, dry skin issues are a lot of problems so far as the skin health is concerned. Oily skin, too much oily skin is also a problem, but dry skin poses a lot of issues. So by the use of such sanitizers which are alcohol based or sanitizers which are spirit based, the chemical synthetic based, automatically the dry skin conditions are becoming more these days. That is the main reason why the skin health also has to be maintained on par with this. So across the globe, now the dermatologists or the skin specialists are talking a lot about maintaining the skin health post COVID-19 lockdown scenario. Well, a lot of products in the market. So it might be the nutri-cosmetic products, a lot of topical cosmetic products have been discovered these days with a claim on them as killing 99.9% germs. Well, we are not doing anything like that. We are actually, as a part of wellness, we are actually announcing or we are actually telling you that please follow this wonderful product iGlow so that your internal cleansing will happen, so that the external beauty as well as the skin health can be enhanced, my dear friends. This is what we are actually trying to tell people. I hope my point is clear to everybody. Nutri-cosmetics not only includes the skin health, it also includes the hair health, the nail health. So, but we are not concentrating on the hair and the nail here. But as a part of iGlow, we are just concentrating on the skin health parameters here. I hope my point is clear to you. So, in fact, the most important ingredient which is present in iGlow is called as the saffron. So, saffron, as you all know about iGlow. So, the most important ingredient which is present in iGlow is called as saffron. Saffron is also called as Crocus sativus or Kesar. So, whenever you look into the back of the pack of iGlow, you will get to know the botanical ingredient called as saffron, which is botanically identified as Crocus sativus. In fact, the saffron that we are using in iGlow is obtained from the Kashmir Valley, which is considered as the best available source of saffron. Not only this, the saffron is actually called as the most expensive spice in the world, my dear friends. It is also called a kind of a spice. In fact, it is a very old ingredient to this land, where it is responsible for moisturizing the skin, making it blemish free and nurturing the skin as well. In fact, the saffron is not known to the mankind from today or yesterday. It is known to the mankind from time immemorial. That is, starting from the period of Ayurveda, dating back to 5,000 years, this particular saffron is held as sacrosanct. It is one of the famous herbs which is held in very high esteem. So, in fact, the textbooks of Ayurveda is talking about saffron from time immemorial. In fact, dating back to 5,000 years. In fact, saffron is a wonderful ingredient which is antibacterial and anti-inflammatory in nature as well. So not only this, it also has a lot of healing properties and can hasten the process of skin recovery. So in fact, it can hasten the process of skin recovery, as well as the healing properties on the skin is actually seen better with the help of saffron. So, in fact, saffron, along with saffron, iGlow also contains a wonderful ingredient called as natural plant collagen. So in fact, everybody knows that collagen is called as a beauty protein. So collagen is a wonderful beauty protein. So in fact, this collagen is already there in the human body. So collagen is a protein which is in fact responsible for maintaining the elasticity of the skin as well. So whenever the skin is said to be healthy, the elasticity and the flexibility of the skin is also very important. So this is actually happens with the help of this collagen. In fact, the other collagen supplements which is available on this planet are all animal origin collagen supplements, but we do use a lot of the natural plant collagen which is derived from the vegetable sources, the fruit sources as well. This is called as a natural plant collagen, which will diminish the dark spots as well as the skin dullness as well. So in fact, the next important thing is called as the grape seed extract, which is actually used in the product. So the grape seed extract, normally we use the seed as well as the skin of the grapes. So which is effective for the hydration of the skin, because it contains a wonderful ingredient called as resveratrol. So resveratrol is one of the best antioxidants that we have, which will effectively hydrate the skin, which gives you a better, healthier as well as a radiant complexion. This is how exactly the grapeseed extract is helping out in understanding what this product is all about. The third thing is it also contains the kojic acid. The kojic acid is not something like the normal acid that is actually found, like the sulfuric acid or the hydrochloric acid. Kojic acid is a natural acid which is present in the seaweeds. So it is actually present in the seaweeds, which effectively protects the skin against the sun damage. It reduces the dark spots and it also helps maintain the skin health. In fact, the iGlow also contains a wonderful extract called as a licorice extract. We call this licorice root as a sweet root. In fact, this is called as muleti in Hindi. This licorice extract contains an important ingredient called as glabridin. This glabridin is the one which is responsible for removing the excess oil which is present in the skin. As I told you, my dear friends, dry skin is one damaging issue, but oily skin also plays a very important role in causing the skin disorders. So excess oil in the skin is also very dangerous. That is the reason why this also protects or prevents the excess oil secretion from the skin. This is what the licorice roots does. Along with this, it also helps in skin lightening. It is not skin whitening or skin brightening, my dear friends. It is actually called as skin lightening attributes. I hope my point is clear to everybody. So, not only this, the product also contains the goodness of the lutein extract. Lutein is a natural component which is secreted or extracted from the flowers of marigold. So this particular lutein is very important for improving the skin hydration. Skin hydration in the sense maintaining the water levels in the skin as well as the elasticity of the skin as well. So it also contains the natural coenzyme Q10. This natural coenzyme Q10 is also not the synthetic source that we are using. We are actually using the natural plant derived sources, especially the seaweeds of the CoQ10. So the benefit of the CoQ10 is to enhance or increase the energy of the skin. Sometimes the human body might look energized, but normally the skin will not be energized. So the energy of the skin is always kept upright by using this natural coenzyme Q10. It gives you an energized look and feel, as well as a young look and feel, as we call. This is what is the exact meaning of natural coenzyme Q10. So along with this, the product also contains, a wonderful ingredient called as the papaya extract. So probably people might be knowing that papaya is one such fruit which is actually important for maintaining the skin health. So in fact, during the COVID-19 situations, when you see, my dear friends, as I told you, skin health is the one area that we need to concentrate on. See, there are a lot of skin issues which is happening during this particular time, which I want to tell you. One is the rashes which happen. Second is the COVID toes. In fact, the swelling in the toes is actually seen. The third thing is spasm of blood vessels. Chicken pox like lesions are actually happening. And especially in children, the redness, swelling of the hands and feet, as well as conjunctivitis are also happening. All these things are happening as a part of a viral infections. This can happen regularly these days. Irrespective of COVID, positive or negative, people might have some kinds of these, the reactions on the skin. In fact, the dermatologists are actually linking this to the COVID related issues, but don't have to worry about it at this point of time. Post-COVID, such kind of skin issues might happen in the human beings. This is what doctors are actually suggesting. Not only taking care of your dry skin, my dear friends, these issues, whatever I told you right now, these issues should also be taken care of. That is the reason why maintaining the skin health is always very important. So, as I told you, papaya is one of the important ingredients which is actually present in this product, iGlow. In fact, the papaya is a wonderful ingredient for acne or pimple control. So, what exactly happens? Acne, as you all know, that is a skin condition, is a bacterial skin condition which happens when your hair follicles become plugged with oil and dead skin cells. It is often causes the whiteheads, blackheads or pimples, and usually appear on the face, forehead, chest, upper back and even the shoulders. Acne is normally common amongst the teenagers, though it affects the people of all ages. There are a lot of treatment options for this, but as I told you, my dear friends, excess sebum or excess oil secretion in the skin is one major reason for the pimples or the acne to happen. So whenever some person is having this acne problems, it is always important to control the excess oil on the skin. That is the reason why I told you licorice extract. It actually regulates the excess oil or the sebum secretion on the skin surface. And papaya extract, which we also have in the product, is also responsible for the same. I hope my point is clear to you. So, in fact, the papaya contains the enzymes called as papain and chymopapain, which decreases the inflammation of the skin. It also removes acne by removing the dead skin cells that clogs the skin pores. What happens in the human body is the different cells of the human body will have different lifespan. For example, the RBCs of the red blood cells have a lifespan of 120 days. Similarly, the skin cells also have a lifespan. Whenever the skin cells die, the debris of the skin cells will clog the pores of the skin, by which lots of other skin issues will happen on the human skin. So this is where papaya is very, very important, where the enzymes which are present in the papaya will help to declog the pores, by which a lot of moisturization, hydration activity will happen, and ultimately reduction in the pimples or acne will also happen, my dear friends. So papaya is also very rich in vitamin A. Although it is believed that vitamin A is very important for the development and treatment of acne, especially for the treatment of acne, it is very important. Papaya is also rich with antioxidants such as lycopene, which are nothing but carotenoids that may defend against visible signs of aging as well. So these antioxidants which are present in the papaya is also responsible for fighting the free radical damage, which will actually make your skin remove smooth and youthful. This is very important about the papaya extract that we are actually using in the product iGlow. So thank you so much, Vivites, for your wonderful participation. Again, we apologize for the interruption caused due to the network connectivity issues. So thank you so much. We have got your questions now. So now this is a question answer time. So thanks for listening to this small topic on papaya, as well as the general skin health, as well as the description of the iGlow, which will be useful for everybody in their regular promotional aspects as well, my dear friends. So let me talk about the previous week's questions before taking the present week's questions now. So today my colleague, so Ms. Asma, has collected the questions for me. So the last week's questions are there here. So the first question, sir, if we are consuming one sachet a day, which time is best for using iGlow? See, the best time for consuming iGlow, better would be morning. That is 15 minutes after breakfast would be a better time. So the next question that I am seeing here is by Mr. Vinay Kumar Dasari. If you are seeing this, which timing is best? Morning and evening, afternoon and evening. Again, I would like to tell you the better dose for consuming iGlow is one sachet in the morning 15 minutes after breakfast and one sachet in the night 15 minutes after dinner. Not to use this in the afternoon. It should not be used in the afternoons. But if you are using once a day, it is always better to use it in the mornings. I hope my point is clear to you. So the next question is by Ms. Rehana Zubair. Sir, can we suggest iGlow for a person with fatty liver? Along with the combination of iPulse, I would definitely like to suggest this product with iPulse, especially for fatty liver conditions. You can use both the products together. So iPulse will be 30 ml 2 times, half an hour before the food, whereas iGlow will be 1 in the morning, 1 in the night, 15 minutes after the food. iGlow is always after the food, whereas iPulse is always before the food, my dear friends. I hope my point is clear to you. So the next question is by Ms. Umadevi Potturu. My sugar shot to 269 after morning breakfast. I hope Ms. Umadevi, if your question is pertaining to iGlow, I hope if that is not the case, definitely iCoffee would be a better option to you. You can also pose your question on the iCoffee day, which is on the Tuesday. Otherwise, iCoffee creamer, 1 in the morning and 1 in the night, half an hour before breakfast and half an hour before dinner would be an ideal product for you. So the next question that I am seeing here, many customers have complained about new pimples coming after using iGlow. What should I suggest? This question is by Mr. Ronel. Again, as I told you, my dear friend, pimples or acne can be caused because of various reasons. It's actually a bacterial skin disease. See, normally whenever there is excess oil secretion on the surface of the skin, normally the pimples or the acne erupt. At the same point of time, our product will actually take some time in the detoxification process, at least for a month's time. During that 1 month's time, the detoxification process is going to happen in the body, because of which some amount of heat will be liberated, because of which some new pimples can happen. But later on, after the detoxification subsides, definitely the pimples will cut down. As I told you, licorice is one important thing. The second thing is the papaya extract. Both of them will actually help in removing the clogging of the pores. So automatically the pimple problems or the acne problems will reduce. I hope my point is clear to you. So the next question is by Mr. Muhammad Khadir. How many months this has to be taken? As a part of wellness, I would like to tell you that at least for a minimum period of 3 months, you can consume iGlow. So the next question is by Mr. Pandu Nikhil. If all the pimples are gone, should I continue further or not? Very good question again. So Mr. Nikhil, if you are watching this, if the pimples have subsided, you can leave a gap of 1 month. Then again you can start with iGlow. See, normally for the first 3 months after you continue this, you can leave a gap of 1 month. From the next month, that is from the 5th month onwards, you can further continue iGlow. I hope my point is clear to you. So the next question is, can this be suggested to a person with liver cirrhosis? No. Only in liver detoxification conditions it can be used, not for liver cirrhosis. For liver cirrhosis, I would suggest you to use both iPulse and iGlow together. So the next question is by Mr. Chandra Ratish. If you are watching this, can iGlow be given for psoriasis patient? Well, psoriasis is one autoimmune disease where the flaring up of the conditions will be happening now and then. So it is not a controllable disease, it is only a palliative disease as we call it as. So what you need to do is definitely a good combination of iPulse and iGlow can be suggested in this condition. iPulse should be 30 ml twice daily, half an hour after the food. iGlow should also be 15 minutes after the food twice daily. So I hope my point is clear to you, Mr. Chandra Ratish. Both the products must be half an hour after the food. Only then in an autoimmune condition like psoriasis, these products will be helpful. So the next question that I am seeing here is by Mr. Tulsi Nayak Kotyadi. Mr. Tulsi Nayak Kotyadi. So before using iGlow, I don't have any skin related issues, but after using iGlow, small pimples as well as itches have started. As I told you, Mr. Kotyadi, initially for the first month, the detoxification process will release a bit of heat inside the body, because of which some itching as well as some pimples might happen. I would suggest you to consume more and more water, around about 3.5 to 4 liters of water, and even warm water is also suitable here. Definitely the flaring up of the pimples as well as the detoxification process can subside, and definitely the skin health can be obtained. I hope my point is clear to you. So the next question that I am seeing here is by Mr. Karan Singh. Is it effective for leukoderma problems? Again, a good combination of iPulse and iGlow can be suggested in this condition. iPulse will be 30 ml twice daily, half an hour before food, whereas iGlow is 2 sachets in a day, 15 minutes after the food again. But the question that I am seeing here is by Ms. Shweta Agarwal. Is it better for till on the face? I don't know what till is all about. Till is probably the dark spots, as I understand, because that might be the thing. It might be a Hindi translation for this. Definitely, as I told you, the ingredients which are present in iGlow, so especially some of the ingredients like the natural plant collagen, the kojic acid, these are very much important for reducing the dark spots on the skin. So definitely you can use this in this condition. So the next question that I am taking here is by Mr. Geetaram Jangra. I gave iGlow to a 20-year-old girl with pimples, and the change, when can we expect the change? So Mr. Geetaram Jangra, if you are seeing this, so better you can give this product for a minimum period of 3 months. As I told you, a lot of detoxification process is going to happen initially. I would suggest you to consume at least 3.5 to 4 liters of water. This will definitely help in reducing these pimple lesions as well. So the next question is by Ms. Shraddha Maravnia. Ms. Shraddha Maravnia, if I am spelling your correct pronunciation. Which product is good for ringworm infections? So Ms. Shraddha, if you are watching this, I would suggest you a combination of iPulse as well as iGlow together. So iPulse will be 30 ml twice daily, half an hour before the food, whereas iGlow is 1 sachet in the morning and 1 sachet in the night, half an hour after the food is always important for you. I hope the point is clear to you. So the next question of today's question, if I'm seeing here, is by Miss Vanita Illa. If you are watching this, will iGlow reduce white patches sometimes caused by vitamin deficiency? Well, in case of white patches, the albinism or the leukoderma or the vitiligo as we call, a good combination again of iPulse and iGlow is suggested here. But these are some of the autoimmune problems. I would suggest you to consume both iPulse and iGlow half an hour after the food only. I hope my point is clear to you, not before the food. Both the products should be taken together half an hour after the food. I hope the point is clear to you. So the next question is by Mr. Anil Kumar. Can we suggest iGlow alone for vitiligo? No. It should be given along with a combination of iPulse, because vitiligo is not a simple disorder. Not only a pigmentation disorders, most of the systemic things are also included here. So iPulse as well as iGlow both in a combination will definitely yield good results. So the next question is by Anuga Madipalli. How many layers the skin has? See, so far as the anatomy and the physiology of the skin are concerned, there are a lot of layers in the skin actually, starting from the epidermis, the hypodermis, the subdermis. There are a lot of dermal layers. The dermis and the epidermis are the two major layers actually. If I have to tell you the basic layers of the skin, the dermis and the epidermis. In those layers, there are a lot of other layers of the skin, up to 5 or 6 layers of the skin are there. But underneath the skin, there is a layer called as a fat layer. That is very, very important actually. Whenever your skin is protected, only then the fat layer, we call it as a subcutaneous fat, that will be protected always. That is very important for the maintenance of skin health. Whenever the subcutaneous fat is maintained properly, so whenever without any health issues, automatically the skin health will also be maintained. So a lot of layers of skin are there. Our intention here is to give an internal cosmetic product which will work internally and make your skin glow outside and condition your body. So we are not giving you a topical cosmetic product which will just be applied on the outer layer of the skin and not on the inner layer of the skin, my dear friend. I hope my point is clear to you. So the next question that I am seeing here is by Mr. Komala, if I am spelling your this one right. Is iGlow suitable for all skin problems? For generalized skin issues, definitely iGlow is a very good dietary supplement. You can definitely use it. So the next question is by Mr. Deepak Sen. My sister is using iGlow for dark circles but no result yet. Kindly suggest. So Mr. Deepak Sen, if you are watching this, I would like to suggest iGlow to be used in this way. She can consume iGlow only in the night times. Only one sachet in the night, half an hour after the dinner or just before going to the bed. I hope my point is clear. Do not consume iGlow in the morning times. Only in the night times would be better, my dear friend. I hope the point is clear to you. So the next question is by Konjang Bum. If you are watching this, will it control allergies? Absolutely yes. Suppose allergies are different kinds of allergies. Is it food allergy? Is it insect allergies? Is it drug allergies? Is it medicine allergies? There are so many kinds of allergies. But the phenomenon of allergy remains the same, where the body reacts, the immune system reacts, releasing a lot of histamines. So definitely a good combination of iPulse and iGlow can be suggested in this particular condition, my dear friend. So the next question is by PS Hanumagowda. If you are watching this, Mr. Hanumagowda, I am using iPulse and iGlow for patches, white patches. Yes. Is it increasing more? It is increasing more. Please suggest. I would suggest you one thing, Mr. Hanumagowda. You have to use both the products half an hour after the food. iPulse should be 30 ml in the morning, half an hour after breakfast, and 30 ml in the night, half an hour after dinner. After that, you can start with iGlow. It is after consuming iPulse, iGlow can be consumed immediately also. So no issues, but both the products should be consumed half an hour after the food for beneficial results. I hope my point is clear to you. So thank you, Vivites, for your wholehearted participation. We appreciate your participation in this iGlow Facebook Live. So don't worry about it. There is a link which is appearing below your chat box. You can click on the link and send your questions. We will be happy to answer them. Thank you so much. This is Dr. Balu Kolar, Head of Product Development and Training, signing off from the desk. I'll meet you tomorrow along with a wonderful concept of iSlim Flat Tummies Bar. Until then, goodbye. Have a nice day.